You got something to say? What? Yeah? Talk to Mama. Rubble, you got something to say? Oh. Oh my goodness. Tell me. What? Tell me. Hey, focus. Yeah, I know, right? Oh. You've got so much to say this morning. What else happened? Hey, what else happened? What happened? Yeah? And then what? Oh my goodness. Are you serious? Oh, no way. What did you do? No, he didn't. Rubble. Oh, really? Look, he's just being honest. No need to slap him. Alright, boys. Mommy's got to go to the doctors, okay? I know. I'm okay. I just got to go for a checkup. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Oh, stop. Hey. What? Are you kidding? You right. Is that what you're going to do? You ready to go see your daddy? Yeah. Okay. Stop. Hey. No need to be slapping each other. No need for that. You'd be nice. You guys ready to go in, huh? Alright, say bye, everybody. Say bye, everybody. Say bye, Rubble. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Rubble. Hey. Say bye, buddy. Okay, thank you.